bracket તમને options પણ આપેલા હશે. You have to select one option and you have to speak, you have to read the line with the correct option. Okay, let's see one example on your screen. Students, you can see a very interesting picture on your screen. See, this is a bear and what he is doing? He is looking in the mirror, right? And he is so happy. See, he is smiling like you all. So our line is, bear is dash himself. You can see in the mirror who is there. Mirror માં પણ bear જ છે અને બહાર પણ bear છે. Bear is between himself? No. Bear is behind himself? No. So the correct answer is, bear is in front of himself. The correct answer is in front of. Fine. Bear is in front of himself. Got it? Fine. તમે તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુક યાદ કરો. આવી કેટલીક fill in the blanks તમે એમાં કરી છે. યાદ આવી ગયું? See your textbook. You can see this exercise on your screen. Yes, exactly. Just like that, you have to give answers in this round. Fine. Students, જ્યારે અહીંયા બેઠેલી ટીમ A, B, C, D આન્સર આપે ને ત્યારે તમારે પણ આન્સર શોધવાનો છે. અને તમારો પ્લસ પોઈન્ટ શું છે ખબર? તમે તો મોટેથી સાચો જવાબ બોલી શકો. તો આ રાઉન્ડમાં જેવો સાચો જવાબ ખબર પડે ને મોટેથી સાચો જવાબ બોલજો. ઓકે? ફાઇન? Okay, so let's see the first question for our first group, Group A. See on your screen. Wow, very nice picture. આવું પિક્ચર જોવા મળે? મને તો એવું જ દેખાય કે કૂતરો બિલાડીની પાછળ ભાગતો હોય. But see here, they are together. એક સાથે બેઠા છે. Let's read the question. Cat is dash two dogs. Between, behind or on?
Behind.
Behind? Are you sure?
Cat is behind two dogs.
સાચો જવાબ લોક કરી દિયા જાય? Sure?
Yes.
Your answer is wrong. See the picture. Where is cat? Cat is between two dogs. See, cat is not behind the dogs. Cat is between the dogs. So the correct answer is, cat is between two dogs. No worry, we are learning. Fine? For your answer, you are not getting marks. Let's go to the group B. See on your screen, this is the question for our B group. Wow, very interesting picture. તમારા જેવો જ કોઈ છોકરો કે છોકરી છે ને? રિસાઈ ગયા લાગે છે. Child is dash room. Child is between the room. Child is opposite room. Child is in the corner of the room. Bolo. You have to think. And then you have to give the answer. Observe the picture. Picture will help you to give the correct answer.
Child is in the corner of the room.
Very good. Correct answer. And for your correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. જ્યારે તમારી કોઈક ઈચ્છા પૂરી ના થાય ત્યારે શું તમે પણ આવી રીતે રૂમના કોર્નરમાં ગોઠવાઈ જાવ છો? નહીં ને? Very good. Don't do like this. Now this is a slide for our C group. C group, see on your screen, child is dash the chair. Your options are behind, opposite, next to. You have to select one answer from the bracket. You can observe the picture. Where is child? There is one chair in the picture and one child in the picture.
Child is next to the chair.
Are you sure your answer is correct?
Yes.
Yes, lock कर दिया जाए.
Yes.
No, your answer is not correct. Child is, yes, child is behind the chair. જો પાછળ સંતાઈ ગયો છે. Yes, કોની પાછળ છે? ચેરની પાછળ. So child is behind the chair. તા કુકડી રમો ત્યારે તમે પણ સંતાવ છો ને? Behind the table, behind the chair, behind the tree, right? Okay, no worry. Now this is the fourth slide for our fourth group, D group. D group, see on your screen, this is one interesting picture. ગમે છે ને આ પિક્ચર? કેટલું કલરફુલ છે અને આપણા ફેવરેટ કેરેક્ટર્સ છે. One is Bruno, one is Mickey, Minnie and Donald. 4 characters are here in this picture. This is the left side of the picture. Okay? Now you have to tell me who is next to Bruno from left side. My question is, who is next to Bruno from left side? Bolo?
Mickey
Is
next
to
the Bruno left.
from left side. Very good. Correct answer. But speak the sentence once again.
Mickey is Bruno next to Bruno
From
left side.
very nice. Correct answer. And for your correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Very interesting picture, right? Now this is the end of our second round, and let's see the score at the end of this round. According to the scoreboard, our team A, they are on 10 points. Very big claps for them. They tried well. Very nice. Our team B, they are having 20 marks. Very nice. Team C, they are having 10 marks. And team D, they are having 20 marks. Very nice. So 10, 20, 10, 20. Now let's start our third round. Be ready. Students, this is our third round. And in this round, you have to observe something. I'll ask you question and you have to give answer in just one letter. A or B or C, anything. See on your screen. Just look at this picture. Here, 6 options. A, B, C, D, E, F. You can see here some symbols are here, 2 pictures, 1 small map which is showing something, right? Observe it very carefully. Now, I am going to speak one sentence. If the sentence is according to B, then you have to give the answer B. If the sentence is according to F, then you have to give the answer F. Okay? હું અહીંયાથી એક વાક્ય બોલીશ. એ વાક્ય પ્રમાણેનું જે ચિત્ર તમને આમાંથી દેખાય, see on your screen, and this is a line for our first group. Okay? Observe the picture and your sentence is, cross the road from the zebra crossing. Cross the road from the zebra crossing. Now give me answer just in A, B, C or D, E, F. You have 6 options. Muttethi.
A.
A, correct answer. You can see the symbol cross the road from the zebra crossing. Very nice. Correct answer. And for your answer, you are getting 10 marks. Now, group B, see the image and your statement is, don't go right side. See on your screen. Don't go right side. Team A ne avdi gayu chhe. They are smiling. Your statement is, don't go right side.
D.
D, is this a question or answer? તું મને પૂછે છે કે જવાબ આપે છે? So the correct answer is
D.
D. Very nice. You can see the symbol. Don't go right side. Very nice. Correct answer. And for your correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Now, this is a statement for our C group. Group, look at your screen. Your statement is, go left side. The design center is at left side. F. Paku. Lock kar diya jaye. जुओ बराबर ध्यान थी. Turn left side. બોલો બોલો. સાચો હોય તો કોન્ફિડન્સ થી જવાબ આપવાનો બેટા. જોઈ લો 6 ઓપ્શન ધ્યાનથી.
F.
હા, the F is correct answer. Very good. Very nice. When ma'am is asking twice, you are getting confused, right? So you are not sure. It should not be like that. આપણને ખબર હોય કે left means left. Yes ma'am, this is the correct answer. Okay? For your correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. And now, this is the last statement for our 4th group. And your statement is, bump ahead. See the screen. Bump ahead. It's very easy. See on your screen carefully. તમે સ્કૂલે જતા આ પ્રકારના બોર્ડ્સ જોતા હશો, right? Speak loudly.
C.
C. Are you sure? Sure. Very nice. Good. Correct answer. And for your correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. So dear students, this is the end of 3rd round and this is the end of our quiz. So at the end of our quiz, let's see the score. According to the scoreboard, our first group, they are getting 20 marks. Very nice. Clap for them. Our B group, they are getting 30 marks. Very nice. Our C group, they are getting 20 marks. Very nice. And our D group, they are getting 30 marks. Very nice. Super. So, this was our quiz of Standard 7, SAM 2, Unit 1. Students, our quiz is a question paper. When you are able to give the answer properly, that means you are observing and watching the episodes carefully. Right? તમે episodes ધ્યાનથી જુઓ તો તમે ક્વિઝના આન્સર્સ આપી શકો. Fine? So now you have to observe all episodes very carefully. Students, I have some interesting thing. As you know that we have declared કે તમારા જે 100 પહેલા પત્રો આવશે ને એ પત્રોને થેન્ક યુ નો રિસ્પોન્સ મળશે. અમને તમારા ઘણા બધા પત્રો મળ્યા છે પણ હજી 100 સુધી સંખ્યા નથી પહોંચી. ઝડપ કરો અને જલ્દી કરો. જે પહેલા 100 પત્રો હશે એ બધાને સામે થેન્ક યુ કાર્ડ મળશે. ઓકે, ફાઇન. તો ઝડપથી એક પોસ્ટ કાર્ડ લો અને મોકલી દો વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસરૂમ પર. ફાઇન. જો તમારું પોસ્ટ કાર્ડ 100 અંદર આવી જશે ફાસ્ટ, તો તમને વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસરૂમ તરફથી થેન્ક યુ કાર્ડ મળશે. ઓકે, સો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, this is the end of our quiz. તમે પણ આ ક્વિઝ રમવા આવી શકો, તમે અમને લેટર લખી શકો. ઓકે, so now we will meet in our next quiz. Till then, bye bye.